Hey guys, welcome to Mr. Movie Explainer. So today I'm going to explain a Spanish movie Hidden Faces, which was released in 2011, and this is the one of the best thriller movie. Then after there are many remakes are made in different languages. The IMDb rating of this movie is 7.4 out of 10 and Rotten Tomato it's 80% fresh. In the movie start scene we can see Adrian is a young orchestra conductor is viewing a recorded video of his girlfriend Balan, informing him of leaving him. Adrian becomes deeply upset and while drinking away his sorrow at a bar, he meets Fabina and that night Adrian went to her house and they develop a relationship. Fabina moved into the house that Adrian was sharing with Balan. Strange things become to occur in the bathroom with the Fabina observing strange noise coming from the sink and the bathtub and the being scalded and an abrupt hot shower. In the next scene we can see two police officers come into the Adrian's house. Adrian becomes a suspect in the disappearance of the Balan. However, the investigator cannot find any evidence against Adrian. And one of the police investigators, apparently a former boyfriend of Fabina, warns Adrian that if anything happens to Fabina, he will kill Adrian. That we can see they were discussing in the restaurant. In the next scene, we can see stories going to flashback. Adrian and Balan were in relationship and one day Balan went to Adrian's house where she met a German lady Ima who was on that house. She shown Balan a secret building room inside the house because her husband created that room and he was a Nazi officer. A room is self-contained and sealed off from the sound. On Ima's suggestion, Balan jealous to Adrian and decides she will hide to pretend she is leaving him. She records a video saying she is leaving as she is hiding in the secret room where she can observe Adrian's reaction. When she decides he has enough, she is looking for the key and realizes she is a lost key and is now trapped in the room and there is no way to contact Adrian. In the present scene we can see Fabina finds that key to secret room but she does not know what to use, means how to use. Fabina eventually figure out the balance is a trap in the house because Balan is able to communicate through a tapping on the pipe in the secret room and creating a ripples in the bathroom sink. As Fabina is ready to open the door, she pauses and decided not to rescue Balan because she might be lose Adrian. Fabina struggled with her decision and decided to open the door and check Balan because she can't get a response from her. Also, one of the investigators gave Fabina a picture of Adrian and Veronica and she herself feel pang of jealousy. As Fabina is checking on Balan lying on a bed in the secret room, Balan surprises Fabina and knocks her out and leaves Fabina locked in the room. Balan decided to leave to the house and in the next scene we can see she is leaving key to the secret room on the bed from Adrian to find and leave a picture of two of them and trap a mirror that acts as a door of the secret room. And the final scene we can see the Balan is sitting on the bench alone and Fabina trapped inside the hoping to rescue. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for further notification. Thank you so much and keep watching.